Hello, this is Elvin here. Welcome to our weekly market watch. Very quickly, I'm just looking at the euro dollar at the moment. The euro is on the near term. If I were to quickly put a chart here, it's giving me a downward trend, right? Some spikes on the top, a bit of spikes on the bottom. Overall, I believe it's a downward trend, right? So if I were to go into the daily chart, I've already zoomed in this section. I'm looking at a very nice range that is going about here. Okay, the range is testing the lower end of the market. It could tank very fast. It could slow down. The market can do anything, right? And that's the beauty of trading the financial market, because no one will know what will happen. Right. Having said that, if I were to zoom into the 4-hour and look at the chart, this nice range here has been ranging for, well, very quickly. Started around early April, so it has been ranging for the last 1 month. And usually, the longer the range, the nicer the breakout. And I'm just sitting on the side looking for a very nice breakout. I did last week forecasted a potential change of direction, where this, I was looking at a pattern like this to see how this would change direction and move up. However, I didn't get a clear signal. Hence, I'm just watching this new range here. Okay, so that's it for me. I will be very interested to see what would happen around this. If I can change this color, I will be very interested to see what's going to happen in this area, to see if it's going to test to go lower or is it going to go higher. I have marked a target, and this would be the new horizontal level. This will give me an indication where price would go lower even stronger, or it would bounce upwards. So my key is price action. So I'm just keeping an eye on this. Okay, so that's euro dollar. Moving on, we have the pounds. Zooming up, I have drawn a few interesting trend lines. Again, it's basically USD is gaining strength, so every other majors are going lower. I did indicate that price is moving downwards. I have seen some interesting potential trends here. Oh, that's a very nice trend. But I'm just keeping an eye, right? So I'm just keeping an eye. Simplify this and remove this. So I'm just keeping an eye to see what price is doing, and looking for a shorter time frame to find a entry, and the price action will be the indication of what I should do. Again, similar to euro dollar, the price has been ranging. This has started ranging end of March, so it's kind of the same direction. I'm watching this closely. There's no indication of it breaking out yet. Just to a reminder, Friday. The reason Friday was non-farm payday. There's no signal from the market. For those who are not familiar, we are now going through the COVID-19 crisis. It is now May 2020, so depending when you watch this video, this was roughly when the crisis happened. So market usually gives a slight indication of where price is going, but price action is always the leading indicator for me. Okay, so will price go lower? Price is now testing the lower range. So now in the 4-hour chart, price touched this lower upward trend, upward line, sorry. Gave me a strong bullish pin. Is price going to go lower to retest this pin? No idea. Is it going to go higher? I'm just keeping a close eye this week. So I think Monday will give me some nice indication. So let's see how it goes. Right. The next one is this is gold. As you can see, gold is moving upwards, unlike the US dollars unlike the euro and pounds. This is a nice upward trend here. Tested the low, not too fussy whether the trend line is intact. What is very nice is, for me, the previous low was not broken. Price came down to test the previous low, and it's now regained its momentum to go higher. So that's very nice. Similar to the rest, price has been ranging, again ranging since early March, early April or end of March. Price has been ranging here. I'm looking for a nice breakout pattern if and when I see one. Okay, that's really it. So now, apart from the euro dollar and the pound dollar and my favorite gold, I'm also keeping an eye on the euro pound, so EURGBP. This has been ranging much longer. The price has been ranging since September 2016, so basically towards Q3 of 2016. Price has been intact. It has tested the highs and has tested the lows, and nothing has been broken. So just to give you an idea, this is just a cross pair between euro and pounds, which all in all has less influence from the US dollar, and because of that, the dynamics of this pair is quite different from the rest. So I will watch a currency pair I will watch each pair one by one and have my own view for each pair differently. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this was useful. Do share your comments or ask me any questions. Post it at the commentary section below. Okay, thank you and have a nice trading week ahead. Right.